Hello, citizens. This is the Anvil Carrack, and welcome to Star Citizen Rated. Before we rate, let's discuss the rating system. I like stats. Stats are useful. Here's some right now. But I started this rating system for myself in order to try and answer this one question. What ship provides the best experience in Star Citizen? I love what Star Citizen promises to offer, and I know the gameplay will come, but it's not here yet, and not all ships are made equal. So join me as I try to find the ship or ships that can give the most immersion possible in the current state of the verse. With that in mind, I have broken my review into two main categories: ship model and capabilities. With the ship model, we will rate visual detail, sounds, interactivity, crew accommodations, flight model, and quantum travel. And with capabilities, we will determine what kind of tasks each ship is capable of and to what degree. With all that said, here we go. Okay, guys, this thing is huge. I'm going to try to be relatively fast on the exterior because the interior is going to take some time. So if you want to just skip on, that's fine with me. Landing gear looks massive. The detail on this ship is just amazing, especially given the size. Can you imagine how long this took? And here's the cargo containers. Got 3, and then 3 on the other side. I mean, look at that landing gear. That is beastly. Alright, and there's the ramp right there. And there's the pilot, co-pilot, and command deck. Now that's okay. That's okay. I was honestly expecting the sound to be more heavy. You know, make you really feel like this thing could crush your head as it's coming down. Oh, the interior. That ambient noise is actually a lot louder. It's a lot better. Ooh. Just in case someone was coming in for a hot landing, I guess. That's cool. What's this? Oh, stair access, or ladder access, rather. In case you don't want to use the lift. Docking collar. There's the elevator. What's in here? Escape pods. And your dock collar. Okay. And then here's the cargo decks. It's really cool. You get to see all of your cargo. Go down and inspect them. What if that... Will that operate like a crane or something so you can move your cargo around? That'll be cool. Another cargo deck. Another one. Okay, main ship. More escape pods. Or hypersleep, I'm not sure which, to be honest. turret. I'm gonna try it out. Nice. It looks good. This thing has so many turrets.
Anvil Aerospace.
Ooh.
Online.
Ooh, that sounds too good. I mean, it's just a turret booting up. But I like it. I can feel the power. Huh. The lighting doesn't look right in here. The interior, everything's evenly lit. It looks kind of cartoonish. Does anyone else see that? Maybe it's just me. I really don't like those seat animations. I think if CIG did without those, we would all be rejoicing. Alright, what's this? The elevator. I think there's 3 decks. Or is there 4? There's 4. Wow. Hab. What is that? I don't know what that is. Oh. Wait, is that the... Yeah, that's the medical area. So that must be part of the medical bed that's in there. Nice little decon chamber. Come on, let me in. Oh, there we go. Okay. These are just regular beds? What are those? And storage. I hate how some of these doors, like, they're automatic open, or you have to click on the door itself, or you have to click on the panel, like that. Where's the consistency there? It's just annoying me. Sorry. Okay, nice. Is this the bed where you can regen? Yeah. I never had the chance to use this, but that's a super cool feature. What's on this side? Nothing? Guys, does this not open? Let me in. I don't know what's in there, but I can't get in. That's annoying. Okay. What is this? Oh, nice. Pool table. Weird futuristic pool table. I can dig it. Nice crew quarters. I like these beds. I don't know why. I just like them. Some crew storage. Or are those weapon racks? I don't know. Okay, showers. Ah, I'm a vampire. Look away. When are they gonna fix that, I wonder? Where you can start looking at yourself in the mirror? They need to fix these doors first. Okay. Nothing else. Okay, across the hall. What's over here? Looks like a mess hall. Nice. Food dispensary. Is that a microwave? Now I can't wait for them to actually bring in some sort of gameplay so that you can make your own food. It's a cool view. But yeah, they need to do that so that we can spend longer times on ships. That'd be nice. What's in here? There's a captain's office. More chess. Or is that checkers? I guess it depends on the captain. Nice. Not bad. Not bad. I like the detail. I like how they put stuff in there. Does that do anything? No. Okay, I like how they put stuff in there, like on the bookshelf, to really kind of populate it, make it look lived in. It's a nice touch. Is this storage or... Oh no, component access. I guess they open, just nothing there. Look at that view. That is a great view. And where does this go? Oh, to the upper deck? Not yet. Okay, next floor. Technical deck. I wonder what's up here. Engineering and hangar or something. What's this area? Is that for like nanites or something? Now what are these? Are these components? They don't look like components. Looks like something dangerous is supposed to be inside there. Huh. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Can I get in it? Oh, drone operator seat? What? No. No, there can't be drones in this game yet. Is there a way to turn it on? No. Yeah, no, I didn't think there was any drones in this game yet. Oh, that would be amazing. I can't wait for that to happen. I think I just fell in love with this ship, boys. Okay. Alright, what's going on over here? Ooh, kind of glitchy. That's alright though. Nice. Yeah, this is the hangar where you can carry the Pisces that comes with this ship. Ooh. Ooh, what is that sound? Something's angry. More turrets. anything else though? Just the turret? What about here? What's in here? What is this? For engineering, I guess? I'm getting turned around. Turret for the other side. Check this out. See if it's different from the lower turret. Where do you turn this on?
Anvil Aerospace. All systems online.
Ah, so it's more silent. Still nice though. I want something to shoot at. That's nice. Good field of view. Range of motion. Alright. It doesn't have the same lighting problem as the lower turret though. Which way do I have to go? This way. Those the engines? What is that? I don't know. That's lower engineering, I guess, down there. I don't really like stairs or ladders. I keep calling them stairs. What's wrong with me? Let's go upper. Oh, we're in upper. Let's go lower. Okay, what's down here? What is this? Power? Looks like power. Alright, so these are just the different components that you could have access to. Like the shield gen. Okay. It's over here. Sorry for the quick tour, everyone. I know it's just I'm trying to get through this. This is such a big ship. Okay, now I saw. Where's cartography? Why is the ship so angry right here? Where's the elevator? There's the elevator. I don't think that's it. Is it? What's in here? Did I go in here already? Yeah, I did. Okay. Bridge. Escape pod. Oh, those are the escape pods. So what were those others? Are they just like sleeping pods? Okay, back on the bridge. Oh, upper bridge. Oh. What? No. Oh. I'm on the upper bridge. I'm telling you. This ship turns me around. Here's the command station. This is how I piloted the ship out here to begin with. It's really cool. It's a gunner station, I think. Well, how do I get in? There we go. Gunner seat. And then this is support. Yeah, support. I wonder if they do anything extra. Let me check. How do I turn this on? Are any of these buttons working? Doesn't look like anything's working yet. That's aggravating. Maybe I need to turn it on? Turn on the ship?
Anvil Aerospace. All systems online.
Okay, there we go. Okay, yeah, let's try it again. See if that helped. Nope. Still nothing. Huh. Okay, well, maybe in a future patch. Okay, let's check out cartography. Where is that? Come on, let me in. Okay, there we go. No, not in there. Oh, there it is. It's on the other side. Okay. Okay. Good. Elevator. Let's go to cartography. Cool design features on the inside. Didn't notice that before. What's over here before we get to the main event? Look at that view. Airlock. What? Oh, there's the hangar EVA. Yeah, okay. Very nice. I love that. I wish I had more time with this ship. I'd be doing all sorts of stupid stuff. Escape pod. Okay. Cartography station. What? Why did I have to do a whole event thing with knuckles cracking to step up to an iPad? Oh, why? That's kind of glitchy. Okay, so nothing remotely exploratory is in game yet. Okay. I can't wait. Oh man, that's gonna be so cool. Anything on this side? Did I miss anything? I don't think I missed anything. Okay, let's go to habitation deck. I think that's the same level that I can get into the main pilot's chair. And we can test out the flight model and some quantum jump and let you know my thoughts. Because I know you're curious. Okay, let's check on startup.
Weapons online. Anvil Aerospace. All systems online.
kind of uneventful. Maybe because we're so far away from the engines. Oh, that's better. Yeah, you can hear that. Oh, nice. God, CIG's ship animations are just so awesome. They do such a good job with that. And those engines, the blue and the flame pushing off the floor and kicking up all that dirt, that's awesome. And the sounds are amazing. Sounds like it's just ripping through the air. Let's check out the flight. Okay. It's not bad. You'd expect it to be kind of slow, but actually it's a little bit faster than what I was expecting. The top end on these ships is still a little low in my opinion. But that's okay. Maneuvering thrusters sound a little weird. You hear that? They sound like hydraulics more than thrusters. Or they sound like EVA suit maneuvering thrusters, where it's just a bunch of compressed air coming out. That's what they sound like. But who cares about the thrusters when you got views like this? Look at that sunset, sunrise, I don't know. I love being able to look at the horizon when trying to leave Atmo. Get a little blocked in this view, but the view overall is pretty good. And this is also why this ship is not a real good planet hopper in my opinion. It's quite slow. So, how did you guys like that tour? Let me know if I went the right speed. Did I go too fast? Should I have taken my time and actually looked into things a little bit better? Should I be more purposeful or maybe smoother with my video edits and post? Or do you like it feeling more like like I'm giving you a tour of the ship while you're with me? I'm curious to know your thoughts. Alright, now we're starting to see some stars. God, I love these transitions. You see the cloud tops. This is why I love this game. No loading screens, nothing. You get full control over the transitions. Even though in this ship it takes a good 10 minutes. Okay, let's check out some quantum drive. I think it's a standard quantum drive. It's got a huge quantum fuel tank though. Huge, ginormous. I mean, you'd expect that, right? This is an exploration vessel. Oh. That actually kind of looked a little unique. Let me see that again. Now this thing does have a size 3 quantum drive, so you can't exactly change it out right now. I think it's pretty fast, but it would be nice to have a faster quantum drive that you could upgrade to. And yeah, that looks different from all the other standard quantum drives. Nice purple, I love it. So for ship model, under visual detail, I gave it a 5. It has great detail, unique features, no glitching except for the one with the hangar, which is amazing considering the size of the ship. For sound, I gave it a 4. The ambient noise is very good. The sound in flight is also very nice. It sounds heavy, but some other noises like the cargo ramp just seem to lack the same depth, and I think it could use work. For interactivity, I gave it a 2. There are tons of potential, but almost nothing works. What was really frustrating for me were the doors. Some are automatic, some you just click the highlighted door, and some you just have to click the wall panel. Some consistency would be nice there. However, the regen bed and the command deck piloting are amazing and actually saved it here for me, so I'm actually going to change it to a 3. For crew accommodations, I gave it a 5. It's got everything. Beds, showers, toilets, turrets, a pool table, a meeting room, a mess, a drone chair, and a frickin' hangar. It's an easy 5. For flight model, I gave it a 5. I think the flight model is on point. It flies how it is supposed to. I don't expect there is anything to change here. For quantum travel, I gave it a 5. This thing has a ginormous quantum fuel tank. Duh, its main purpose is expedition and exploration. Of course, it would ace long-distance travel. Under capabilities for single-player combat, I gave it a 0. No pilot-controlled weapons, and I bet you couldn't even ram a moving target with this. For multiplayer combat, I gave it a 4. It has turrets galore and tons of armor and shields. I bet it would be hard to take this down when fully crewed. For hauling and trading, I gave it a 4. It can carry 456 SUs of cargo, which is almost as much as a Caterpillar. You could start a new colony with that much cargo. For specialty, I gave it a 0. But I really can't wait for exploration to come in. For planet hopping, I gave it a 2. It has a huge quantum fuel tank and can probably carry a ground vehicle for each crew member. But size is its downfall here. It's too slow to really be considered a good planet hopper. Now, if you need to move some vehicles or a ton of people, then maybe it's a good choice for you. For party boat, I gave it a 4. This thing would make an amazing party boat. Open up that hangar and just party under the stars. Oh yeah. So total out of 54, I gave it a 41. This ship is one of the most beloved in Star Citizen for a reason. It's the second highest scoring ship I've ever rated, and exploration gameplay isn't even implemented yet. This is the type of ship that makes Star Citizen so amazing and full of possibilities. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video, please let me know by hitting that like button. You can also subscribe to my channel for more Star Citizen videos. I would also appreciate any feedback you can give in the comments below. Let me know what I can do to make more informative and enjoyable content. Thank you again, and I'll see you all in the verse. Whoa. Now that was an explosion worthy of this ship.